Let's skip the step where we add the service account to Google Analytics and do that later. We need to install the client library under the PIP tab. Copy the line of code that starts with sudo pip install and paste it into our terminal. Like this. Tap enter and insert your user password. This is the password you entered when you turn on your computer. Now you can see a lot of red lines and the depreciation warning. This is because I'm using Python 3. With Python 2, you could use the pip command. However, with Python 3, you should rather use a pip3 command. So let's do the same thing again, but with pip3. We insert the password again, and you can see that it worked fine now. Let's also install pandas. We will need pandas to transform our data. Type pip3 install pandas. I've already installed it, but for you it may take a minute to install. This is also how you install other libraries. In the next couple of videos, you will need to add some other libraries. To use them, you need to install them in your terminal. You can do that the same way by sudo pip3 install and then library name.